Hey y'all, it's me and the throw on and go JERRYCURL wig from Luvme Hair. And if you are interested in knowing a little bit of information about these headband wigs, how well do these headband wigs fit on your head? Would I repurchase this headband wig? Do I like this headband wig? What all did this headband wig come with? Please stay tuned. I ordered the throw on and go short jerry curl headband wig, and it came with some free trendy headbands, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute, and it was shipped through Federal Express. I think I got it within 3 days of ordering. You can find lots of coupon codes for all of their hair care products that they have online. And when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair. So that's really nice, very nice packaging. You get this pamphlet that talks about Luvme Hair, how to care for your wig, frequently asked questions about your wig, and the refund policy. So that's nice. She's very pretty, by the way. And I also got this free stuff. I don't know what to call this stuff, but it's stuff. There's a headband, there's a wig grip, some bobby pins, a Luvme hairpin for my hair, a brush so I can do my edges, and some tweezers. Very nice, very nice. All of this was free with the wig. Thank you, Luvme. I love me too. Cute little pouch to put it all in. Here is the wig. Here's the free headbands. Lots of headbands, lots of different colors. You can mix and match depending on what outfit you're wearing. And they also gave some wig caps. So this is a tannish, brownish shade. I have my hair in a little ponytail back here. Little ponytail. I got Bixby. Take off that. Put Bixby up. Let's go ahead and open up this JERRYCURL wig and let's see what it's doing. And I like how these wigs are looking on other people. I more put the wig on and go. I'm not one for doing all the lace and all that kind of stuff. I just need to be able to quickly put the wig on and keep it moving. So this is what it is looking like. Fluff it out a little bit. It's a natural color. I think it's a 1B. And here is the headband, black. I guess you just put the headbands on top. It doesn't look like there's snaps or anything. I don't know why I thought that you would snap the headband on and off, but that's not how it works. It's the construction. Here's a comb here. There's actually two combs. There's a comb there and a comb there. And then the headband actually is Velcro like that. Huh, that's pretty neat. Sorry, there's 3 combs. You can tell I'm not good at these wig reviews. I don't wear wigs. There's a comb in the back and there's 2 combs on each. There's another comb. There's 4 combs. Maybe I should look and see what is in this thing. Okay, so you have this one at the top and you have 3 at the bottom, and then you have the headband. Whew. Let's go ahead and let's see what this wig is looking like on me. Wrong again. The 3 combs, they're in the front. And then you have the 1 that's in the back. Ah! Oh my God, did I just rip it? This don't fit. This is... Do I have a big head? What? Ow. Oh my God. What the? My head is this big that I can't get this wig on. Like, really? my God, the combs is sticking in my scalp. Ow. Okay. Woo. I think I just like ripped it. Oh my gosh, like my head is big. The girl in the picture, she has it on, you can't even hardly see her hair in the front. Oh my gosh, I have a big head. I wanted to wear this to church tomorrow. Can I wear this to church like this? It's gonna slide off. What the heck? Should I watch an instructional video? Am I doing something wrong? I would not have the part. So minus the part. And I put my hair going all the way back. But I planned on putting some cornrows in my hair, actually. I don't know what's wrong with my head. Like, why is my head so big? It's sliding off. Ooh. Am I supposed to add water to make it longer? Am I supposed to pick it? Is this the correct one? I don't know why this looks so short on me and why it won't even cover up my real hair. I wasn't expecting that. Just keep fluffing it. How much fluff do I have to do? I mean, it's cute. It makes me look older, I think, but I'm a woman of a particular age, so I don't care if I look my age. I don't mind looking my age. Something's wrong. This ain't right. This is not what everybody else is looking like. It's cute, but it's a lot shorter than I anticipated. It's tight, like it's squeezing my brain. How am I gonna wear this for 8 hours at work? When I go pick up my other clients for my second job, I'm gonna have to take this off. There's no way I'm gonna be able to wear this for 12 hours. Like, it's hurting already. Let me read to you online. Throw on and go short Jerry curl headband wig. Get free trendy headbands. The price right now is $99, but that is not what I paid for this thing. And it says it's 8 inches. Why do you need a headband wig? They're beginner and lazy girl friendly, no glue, no lace, but super realistic look. 0 skills install within 10 seconds. Breathable and comfortable headband. High ponytail bun available. Affordable price, gorgeous look. 5 extra trendy headbands for free. Texture is Jerry curl. The material is 100% virgin hair from one donor. Somebody donated their hair, like hair color, natural color 1B. Can be dyed, yes. Straps adjustable. Circumference 22.5 inches, standard medium. Wig type, weave wig, no lace. And this has so many good reviews. Like, what am and their heads must be smaller than mine because all of them have headbands on and I don't see their real hair coming out. But here's me, and this one lady, her hair is real long. What am I doing wrong? I don't see no videos. I don't use picks. Oh, the mail just came. And it's only 5:47. Do y'all mail come this late? Because my mail comes extremely late. 5:47. Comes with a black, a pink, black, purple, pink, red, and orange. How do you put this on? I don't even know how to put this on. This is horrible. I should have prepared. But this is natural. I'm showing you the real me, so I have no idea how to put this on. Like, how do you put it on so it looks like 2 knots in the front? Help me, please, help me. Is it like that? Is that how it's supposed to be like? I think this would be cute if the length was here. Because my face is fat and, you know, I'm just coming off of a course of steroids. I think that's what I am not liking. But the curls are cute. I will say that I do like the curls. I just wish that it was longer. Of course, we always want our hair to be longer. I don't know if I should wear this to church tomorrow or not. I don't know. I'll make sure to put here on the screen if I decided to wear it to church. Let me show you the back. What do y'all think? Is it a yes or no? I mean, it was easy to put on and it is cute. And again, I won't have that part. I will slick my hair all the way to the back, but I wanted to wear cornrows. So how can I wear, I guess, cornrows to the back? I don't know. That I was planning on doing my cornrows this way, not to the back, but should I try a different color headband? Let's see, this don't even look like the black one that I just put on. This has this. This has this. These don't have that. These don't have this. See, I know how to put this one on. Oh, look, the wig fell off. I could just wear this like how I wear my ponytail. Ow, ow, my earring. Oh my gosh. And look, my wig cap fell off too. I gotta go to church like this? Oh Lord. Y'all be lying in y'all reviews. Y'all say that this stuff is so easy to do and da-da-da-da-da. This is not easy unless my head is gigantic. And y'all got some little itty bitty heads. This is not easy to do. Let's try this again. Gotta be very delicate because this wig will come off if I touch it a certain way. I don't like it. I'm gonna tell you that right now. I don't like it. Don't like it. Okay, what do you guys think? Do you like it? I paid for this wig with my own money. So does it look natural? Is it correct that headband wigs don't fit your head? Because I feel like it's gonna fall off. I feel like it's not on my head. So is that how headband wigs are meant to be? That they're so small that they're gonna fall off your head? Does this look like a Jerry curl to you? Or does this look like 4C hair? It's not the 4C hair wig. I ordered the Jerry curl wig and I was thinking about getting the 4C wig after this Jerry curl wig, but I'm not feeling the Jerry curl wig. So I don't think I'm gonna feel the 4C hair wig either. I don't know. Like, this is just not what I thought it was gonna be. Let's have a conversation down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. And I am really close to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm looking at my analytics and it looks like a lot of you are not my subscribers. So please, please subscribe to my channel so I can get to 1,000 subscribers. And I will see you next time. Bye.